everybody. Today is Thursday, December the 5th, 2019. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So we're going to talk a little bit about things that don't quite work out as planned. I had started a video about 10 minutes ago and really had some things that I had touched on that I wanted to share with y'all. And my microphone was not on. Anytime I unplug it, I have to reset it when I come back because there's a couple of different microphones that it can pull from. It can pull from the microphone from my camera, it can pull from the microphone from my laptop, or it can pull from the microphone that I used. So, with that being said, I did a 4-minute meditation about what I was expecting to see and what I'm expecting to happen. I had a meeting this morning, which went fabulous. It's my networking meeting. And I go to those networking meetings just to kind of have some face-to-face interaction with people. Otherwise, I'm here most of the time. It was really nice. We paired off one-on-one, got to meet with someone that we hadn't spent much time with and get to know them. And I feel like the woman that I was paired with was really just meant to cross paths with me at that moment. And it was amazing. But with that being said, I guess we need to go back and talk about the market a little bit. Let's go check it out. What I talked about this morning, and I'm not going to remember everything, it's pulled up, or we pulled down, made a big reversal bar. It's trying to push up, but the MACDs are still showing quite a bit of strength down. So I'm a little questionable about what we're going to see next. We may see something kind of similar to this, where it pulls back a little bit and then pushes up, pulls back into the area, gives us some time to slow down and then pushes up. You know, if we really look over the long run, this has all been one big move to the upside. This is just a couple of bars that got really, really strong and pulled down. So I don't know that those couple of bars are going to change the whole entire trend of the market, right? This market is pushing up right here. Let's give this a quick shot right into here. Let's see what happens when and if it pulls up right into here. Trying to force it down because of these reversal bars at this area, but everything's telling me this is trying to continue up for the moment. Take just a couple of ticks of point off this one if it'll grab me. 3 ticks. I'm going to turn that off. Reaching that high. It's trying, but it's struggling. You know what? I'm going to take the exit here. With this leading lower and a little bit of a potential for a pullback, we may see it pull back into this area before it goes up. If it's going to, it may just pop up from here. But just reaching this area and knowing that these moves haven't been really big right now, and holding them with hope is never a good idea. Yes, it could definitely keep going. I mean, always can. Ooh. I want to be back above here, but it's just not enough. Alright, I'm going to give this one a shot. These still pushing down and these still starting to roll down. Chance Hotel right in here. In my ear, so I'm sorry if I'm really loud. I don't know. All right, that's what I'm talking about. We're taking that puppy to a break even now as it's pulling down here. Now, what I'd love to see is this come all the way back down here, but I'm going to pay attention as it's pulling here and not try and force things. Going to go to that high right there. If it pulls back up, I really don't want to be in this. I'm starting to see the MACDs popping up here. They are still showing strength here, but they're pulling away, and there's a lot of space here as we're pulling into an area that can possibly hold us back. So, there we go. I just wanted to add this in. A few minutes ago, I had talked about the reasons not to take this long, saying that it would be simply because I'm trying to just take a couple of extra ticks, that there's not a lot of strength behind this move up, and you're about to see me take the long. This is what happens when you wish instead of paying attention and listen. Okay, I'm going to give this a quick chance. I like the way this is starting to pop up here a little bit, and definitely right in here. I am going to pull this in a little bit more to right here, and I've got a finger over the close button if it starts going against it. Actually going to take this one out. Oh, it hit it but didn't take me out. Pulled back just a little bit. Oh, nope, it got me out. It took me out of two different spaces, right there and right there. There we go. Alright. You about ready? It's almost time. Almost time. I'm going to give this one a shot. I may get burned for it. I pull right back into here, right about this point. Really could have gotten a better risk. So with this reversal bar potential, I'm going to take the first one out. We're going to let that second one go for a moment. hitting the close. As this is starting to pop back up, what we may see is this pull right back into this area and roll off of it again and go down. But when these babies start to pop back up and these are weak and we haven't pushed through here and we're at the area and we've created a little bit of space back to the area, it's best just to go ahead and take it, especially when we're stuck between these two particular areas. I realize I have my headphones in still and I'm not listening to anything. Now I have to listen to what I said earlier. I said this was going to be my last trade, right? I'm just thinking to myself, do I have the patience to sit around for the possibility of one more trade? 4 trades plus 5.75. I had to really work to get these points, right? 3 wins, 1 loss, plus 5.75. Man, that sun is bright. Okay, so not exactly my hopes and dreams when it comes to trading. I'm not really looking for 3 ticks on a trade when I trade, but if that's what it gives me, that's what it gives me. I told myself that this was it. It's been an hour and 45 minutes. It hasn't been the most productive hour and 45 minutes, but, I could have saved 1.75 and ended up with closer to 8 points. But it is what it is, recognizing that my mind was getting a little distracted and that I was trying to force things because I wanted to have a couple of more points is, it's a skill. Okay, I wasn't born with it. It is something I have had to work on night and day, and I am not perfect at it. In my own life, sometimes I step out into situations that I probably should, maybe keep my mouth shut, and it just keeps going. Sometimes I go against what I know my intuition is telling me. And that's because I'm just trying to force things to happen a lot of times. Making money is a beautiful thing, but also making sure that things that you want to take care of, that your mindset is in the proper place is highly important. So with that, I'm going to call it a day. So you and me, we're here together. Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a message. I know that a lot of you, sometimes I'll get messages from you and it's with a sorry to bother you tagline. And y'all, it's not a bother. Just message me. You got a question? I'm going to help you out. Okay. I want to make sure that you're moving in the right direction, and anything I can do to help that, I will. So, all right, guys, we're going to call that a day. So it is going to be a happy Thursday for all of us. I'm going to give tomorrow. That's next Friday. Next Friday, I'm doing a survey. I do some surveys for a survey company from time to time, and it pays you. So, hey, why not make $50 to go check out corn muffins for a half hour? And that is literally what I'm doing. So, I hope everybody has a fabulous Thursday. And as always, I'm looking forward to catching you on the profitable side.